Sabot ka? Sabot ka wala?
Sabot ka? Hi guys! Welcome to Sri Lanka!
Guwapo kay ko ay! Guwapo ba? What's up guys? So now I'm so pretty. So we are going to Global Village with my sister and my boyfriend. Why are you laughing? Lisod kayo mag-vlog kung mag-English. So mag-Bisaya alata. Sabot man ka, diba? O Bisaya? Sabot ka? Sabot ka wala? No, not sabot ka. Sabot. Samok. So you see, as you can see, I'm so pretty. Sino ka dyan? So now, magtigil na din lang sa nana. Nagitudluan ko. Never pati siya. Hi guys! Welcome to Global Village! Where is the ticket? We need to take our ticket. I think it's before katong last na mo anhi diri, ang ticket is 25 dirhams per person. So I think it's still the same. See the queue. Pero karon murag gamay ra kay tawo kay init man good. Init na kaayo karon sa Dubai. Summer na gid siya. Diba? Diba? Kagwapo ba? Gwapo yan. So now, we're going to take our tickets kasi wala kami nakabook ng tickets sa online. So now, we are going to take our ticket there. The ticket booth. So it's our fourth time here in Global Village together. So it's like reminiscing memories. So nana may ticket. So we are ready to now enter the Global Village. Noni ang famous na local street food sa Dubai. Tawag siya Lukaima. And here, makikita ninyo kung yun siya paghingo. Live siya nga. Yun siya pagluto. So, mura siya
Fishball.
Fishball, oo.
Dili siya fishball.
Sweet siya. Mura siya, basta
No, it's not sweet. It is mixed with date syrup.
Oh, sweet yun.
So, muna siya.
Welcome to Floating Market! Sa floating market and nakita na ko ang durian, which is I really like durian. So now I'm trying of maybe durian milkshake. We will try. Let's see how it's. Here's the durian ice cream. Lamig kayo siya ay. Yung ang durian. So ato siyang tilawan kung lamig pa siya. Oh my God, palisod. Kumot kayo. First bite. Lami. This is by Coco by Koi and Coco Mango.
Where's
Ang
mango?
ice cream niya na ako try durian nga fruits. So, more chunks ba? Durian chunks. So, lamig siya. Lamig kayo. Kumot.
Kabalo ba mo nga kung mapalit mo og durian diri sa Dubai? It's very expensive.
Yes, tumpak ganun. It's very mahal.
The kilo is like 80
500.
dirhams.
500 no? Pesos. So, talagmang talagsara kayo. Dili pud ka makakataog durian kayo diri sa Dubai. Expensive. Worth it. Pero durian. Na siya durian sa sulod. This is Sri Lanka's, this is what inside Sri Lanka's pavilion. So, this guy, he's from Sri Lanka. So, tour us around Sri Lanka's pavilion. What is this fruit? This one.
Oh, I know.
You're from Sri Lanka, you don't know?
I don't know.
See, what is this fruit? Spotted in Sri Lanka pavilion. So how do you like your country's pavilion?
Most of the things are not belongs to us.
There are a lot of fresh fruits, Asian fresh fruits, which is like first time para ako nakita. Murag wala ako kabalo kung unsa ba to siya nga fruits. So nung tanong ko niya, wala ko siya kabalo. Hindi wow. So karon hapit naman mag-eat. So naa na sila dito ang mga kauban dito dapit sa stage kay. Actually ni anhi mi diri karon sa Global Village kay para mo tan-aw adtong sikat nga singer, sikat nga Indian singer. Wow, kailaw ulo siya. But agad na lang. So we are going there now.
is